usual day. The food chain.
Raven
Crackers,
says, "How come I didn't
birds,
get anything?"
No, she's supposed to eat the bird after the bird finishes the cracker. I'm not gonna watch you eat, she says. I hate when my food eats.
Oh.
Raven is so weird. Like, oh, she's like one of those clock cats with the eyes that go back and forth. She's not moving an inch, and the eyeballs go back and
She's
forth.
wondering if she's going to have a nap in there or what.
She's wondering if we're gonna lock her in.
Come on, it was your idea to get in there. How are you going to get out? Come on.
She's not in a hurry to get out.
Where's your snack, huh?
Start dropping crumbs on her, she'll want to get out.
Come here, Raven. Come on out.
Raven,
Kitty's house. I mean, Birdie's house.
come on out here. Get out